Good morning everyone. This is Ashish Mishra back to your online class, and in this online class we will study English grammar for standard 7th A, and in this standard 7th A subject English grammar we will come to know about chapter number 5, that is determiners. Means this is the chapter we have to study in this class, as we have already studied 4 of the chapters earlier. So in this determiners we will study what is determiners, we will study about the uses of determiners and so many things. So before coming back to determiners, let's know something about adjective. Actually, adjective and determiners. Adjective and determiners, they both are used before noun. Actually they both are same, actually they both are used before noun, but there are some differences between them. What is the difference? Actually adjective qualifies noun or pronoun. It may use before noun, it may use after noun also. But in case of determiners, actually it is used to point out the nouns. Means अगर आपको किसी noun को point out करना है तो आप उसमें determiners का use कर सकते हैं. Actually it is used to point out noun. So this much is only difference between adjective and determiners. In your book also it is written, determiners like adjectives are words that are used before noun. Both adjectives and determiners modify a noun, but there is a difference between them. Adjectives provide extra information about noun. They tell us the quality of noun. So it qualifies noun, it gives the quality of noun. Whereas determiners are used to point out noun, to specifying it and for quantifying मीन्स कि जो उसके क्वांटिटी को भी बताए, नंबर को भी बताए, आप कह सकते हैं उसमें. दे कैन बी यूज ओनली बिफोर नाउन. इन फैक्ट दे आर प्लेस्ड बिफोर द एडजेक्टिव्स एंड अदर वर्ड्स दैट मॉडिफाई द नाउन. डिटरमाइनर्स हमेशा नाउन के पहले ही यूज़ किए जाते हैं, लेकिन आप इसको एडजेक्टिव के भी पहले यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई एडजेक्टिव वर्ड जो है वो नाउन को क्वालिफाई करता है तो आप उसके पहले डिटरमाइनर्स का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. जैसे वी आर हैविंग सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स है. सी I will write I like this blue umbrella. I like this blue umbrella. So what is this? This is determiner, and blue is an adjective and umbrella is a noun. So this determiner is used before adjective, but we can say this is used before noun. So the determiner this shows the noun umbrella in relationship with the speaker by telling about its proximity, near or far to him. मीन्स कि ये आपको कह सकते हैं कि आप डिस्टेंस भी थोड़ा सा दिखा रहा है. दिस अम्ब्रेला मीन्स दिस अम्ब्रेला इज नियर टू अस. The adjective blue gives more information about the noun umbrella with respect to its color. और अगर हम adjective की बात करेंगे तो adjective जो है, this blue is an adjective that is qualifying an umbrella. यानी this blue is qualifying an umbrella. It shows its color. Adjectives change their form. Degrees of adjectives we have already studied. Degrees of comparison, डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन हम लोगों ने पहले भी पढ़ा था. तो यहाँ एक और डिफरेंस है. वी हैव वन मोर डिफरेंस एंड दैट इज adjectives change forms. See, it is cute, cuter, cutest. positive, comparative, superlative. So here adjectives change their form, यानी एडजेक्टिव जो है वो अपने फॉर्म को चेंज करते हैं, बट डिटरमाइनर्स डू नॉट चेंज देयर फॉर्म. डिटरमाइनर्स डू नॉट चेंज देयर फॉर्म लाइक सम, एनी, ए, एंड, द, few, a few. Means these determiners will never change their form, but adjectives can change their form. This was the difference between adjectives and determiners. Now kinds of determiners, here we are having 1, 2, actually we are having 2 types of determiners over here, referring determiners and quantifying determiners. In referring determiners, what is referring determiners? Actually referring determiners show who or what the noun is pointing to or talking about, यानी noun किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है और क्या बात कर रहा है. Articles, demonstratives and possessives आर रिफरिंग डिटरमाइनर्स, यानी रिफरिंग डिटरमाइनर्स में आर्टिकल्स आते हैं ए, एन और द, उसके बाद डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव्स आते हैं और उसके बाद पॉजेसिव्स भी आते हैं. तो इफ वी से आई सॉ अ बुफेलो, आई सॉ अ बुफेलो, आई saw a buffalo. I saw a buffalo. So this is article तो है ये और साथ ये determiner. It is also a determiner. So the articles a and an are the indefinite articles. They are used before nouns being spoken of for the first time or when we mean one or any. अगर किसी एक या अगर किसी एक को रिप्रेजेंट करना हो तो हम ए और एन लगाएंगे, आप यहाँ यही समझिए. और द जो है वो एक डेफिनेट आर्टिकल है when we use the when the noun referred to is the familiar or known, like the buffalo, the elephant, the farm. means कि अगर आप एक बड़ा अच्छा एग्जाम्पल इसमें हम ले सकते हैं. we can take example, if you write an essay on the cow or if you say a story but like there was a lion, so we cannot start, we can say there was a lion, वहाँ एक शेर था, तो उसके बाद एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल नॉट से अ लायन वाज वेरी एंग्री, अ लायन वाज सो क्यूरियस, अ लायन वाज सो डेंजरस. ना, वी कैन से ओनली देयर वाज अ लायन एंड द लायन वाज वेरी एंग्री, द लायन वाज वेरी डेंजरस. सो ये द इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू शो समथिंग दैट इज फेमिलियर टू यू. Now another is demonstrative. What do you mean by demonstrative? That demonstrates something. This boy, that girl, these boys, those girls. So when you demonstrate something, you will use demonstrative determiners. Possessive show who or what owns something. Possessives show who or what owns something. यानी किसी भी चीज़ का किसी से रिलेशनशिप शो करने के लिए, उनके बिलोंगिंग्स को बताने के लिए आप possessive determiners का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Like your dance was more appreciated than your song. And if you press its button, it will set off an alarm. Okay everyone. Now function, demonstratives and possessives. You can see here demonstratives and possessives. Actually demonstratives में बहुत सारे determiners आ जाएंगे, this, that, these, those. पोजेसिव्स में माई, योर, ओन, हीज, हर, इट्स, देयर, वंस। तो इससे पता चल रहा है, इट शोज रिलेशनशिप और यू कैन से बिलोंगिंग्स, और इससे ये आपको ये पता चल रहा है कि दैट इंडिकेट समथिंग, दैट पॉइंट आउट समथिंग, सो यू कैन यूज इट डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव्स। नाउ these are pronouns, this, that, these, those, and mine, yours, ours, his, hers, its, theirs. Used in place of noun and used before nouns. तो देखो अभी this और that दिया है, तो आपको पता करना होगा कि कौन सा प्रोनाउन है और कौन सा डिटरमाइनर है। सी, this, suppose we take an easy example, this, you have to, if this is given in any sentence and you have to find out whether it is pronoun or determiners, so it is very easy for you to find out. See, if the is used, this is used before noun, अगर ये this noun के पहले यूज होता है तो आप पहचान सकते हैं ये determiners है। जैसे this boy is good, यह लड़का अच्छा है, this boy is good, so this is determiner because it is used before noun. Now this is a boy, यह एक लड़का है, so या this की जगह ही भी लगा सकते हैं, this is a cat भी लिख सकते हैं आप, this is a cat. This is now pronoun. Actually it is used in the place of noun. Now क्वांटिफाइंग डिटरमाइनर्स। क्वांटिफाइंग डिटरमाइनर्स मीन्स जो क्वांटिटी बताए, तो क्वांटिफाइंग डिटरमाइनर्स टेल अस अबाउट द क्वांटिटी हाउ मच और द नंबर हाउ मेनी। अगर क्वांटिफाइंग की बात करेंगे, क्वांटिफाइंग, वी टॉक अबाउट क्वांटिफाइंग डिटरमाइनर्स, then how many, if we talk about how many, it is number. If we talk about how much, it is quantity. It is quantity. If we talk about how much, it is quantity. If we talk about how many, it is number. Now, numerals specify the determiners of the noun by telling how many. Some numeral determiners are 1, 2, 4, first, 3/4, several, many, and a few. Determiners of quantity you can see here: any, no, enough, some, little, lots, much. Any is usually used in a question form or negative statements, or the verb after determiners of quantity agrees with the noun that follows. See, there was one man and a few women at the fee counter. There was a man, या वन मैन भी आप लिख सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यहाँ पर। If we are talking about quantifying now, quantifying determiners, so we will have to put 1. There was one man and a few women. A few women. A few women at the fee counter. At the fee counter. Now, see. One man, a few women. It is telling about number of man, number of women. So, it is called determiners of number. And determiners of numbers. Okay, everyone, and determiners of numbers. One, a few. Now, determiners of quality, determiners of quantity. Determiners of quantity. See, I have lots of rice. I have lots of, I have lots of rice. Okay, lots of, it shows quantity of rice. So, it is determiners of quantity. So, in this way, you have to go through your exercise, as some of the questions will be discussed over here. Identify and write one determiner and one adjective from each of the following sentences. तो जो इस सेंटेंस में आप देखेंगे, जो एडजेक्टिव वैसे वर्ड्स होंगे जो नाउन को क्वालिफाई करेंगे, जो नाउन के पहले आए होंगे, और जो नाउन को पॉइंट आउट कर रहा होगा, वर्ड्स दैट आर पॉइंटिंग आउट नाउन्स, दे विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज डिटरमाइनर्स. सी, दिस डिश यूजेस फ्रेश मैंगो, puri and cream. Now, my elder sister knows how to paint. So let's continue with example number 1. This dish uses fresh mango. अगर हम इतना ही लिखते हैं, write only this much. So, this dish uses fresh mango. Mango is a noun. Fresh is an adjective. Fresh is an adjective. See, here we are having two nouns, dish, mango. So, dish, it is also a noun, and this word is demonstrating, telling about this dish. यानी this is a word, dish, that is pointing out dish. यानी यह खाना जो है, यह डिश जो है बहुत अच्छे आमों, फ्रेश यानी ताज़ा आम को यूज़ कर बनाया गया है. ताज़े आम से बनाए गए हैं. सी, माई एल्डर sister knows how to paint. My elder sister knows how to paint. तो अगर आप my को फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो my is pointing out sister, and this elder is qualifying sister. It is telling about the quality of sister. The sister is elder. So, this word is an adjective, and this word my is determiner. So, everyone, you have to solve your exercises like this only. So now this chapter is now completed. You can do your exercise, and if you have any problem, if you are facing any problem, if you are not capable of understanding still, then you can leave your comment in the comment box. And if you have any trouble again in solving exercise, you can ask through Tenno application, and the homework related to this chapter will be given on Tenno application. Just go through the link provided on the Tenno application and do your homework. Thank you everyone.